Hey guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed a sit down video in so long that I kind of forgot how to start these things and like how I usually start long form videos. It's been so long. I mean, first of all, I've just been focusing on vlogs. I love watching vlogs, but I feel like at the end of the day, my bread and butter is sitting in front of a camera and talking. So I'm back sitting in front of a camera and talking about my favorite things, beauty, fashion, makeup, skincare. We are so back today speaking about Sephora beauty products. Behind me, I'm not sure if you can see, but I have so many of my tried and true Sephora repurchases, must-haves. Let's just talk about it because the sale is going on. I placed a really big Sephora order, so I will be sure to film a haul once the package gets here. Starting off with two lip products, we're just gonna get straight into the video. First is a lot of people's tried and true. I think both of these are, but I just want to like reiterate it once again because I keep repurchasing it myself. This is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. I mean, first of all, I bought this because it's pink. It's the pink one out of the entire collection, and so I had to get it. But second of all, like obviously their formulation is the same across all their colors and packaging. It's basically the scent that differs. And Pink Sugar is so good because it leaves a really nice kind of like light pink tint on your lips, but it also smells really, really good. It smells like cake sweet, like icing, vanilla, and it's also just really cute. And then the second item is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a classic. Everyone has this on their bedside. See, mine is not even open for this one yet because I currently have one on my nightstand. It is so good. I use such a thick layer before I go to bed each night, and in the morning I wake up and my lips are so soft and so smooth. It's really, really essential in the winter time because my lips always get extremely dry in the winter. I mean, obviously, and plus I live in Toronto, so the weather it's so cold. And with that, you have chapped lips. So I always use this at night, and then in the daytime, something like this to just nourish my lips even more. I don't know why this video is just turning into a lip product recommendation, but I have a bunch more. This is from Gisou. I literally just unboxed it a couple days ago. I got it during spring's Sephora sale, and I just now started using it because I have so many lip products, guys. It is so good. I finally get the hype because it smells so good. It smells like watermelon. My boyfriend loves it. I was like, smell like my lip oil because it's so good. So it is the honey infused lip oil. Gorge. It's actually so pretty. And on your lips, it's just the lightest, like shimmery oil. It's also very nourishing. The packaging is great and it smells good. And okay, the packaging is glass. Like I'm holding all of these right now, but this is so heavy because it's glass. And I'm like, I need to be careful with it because the packaging is like very delicate, if you will, because it's glass. But, and then of course, tried and true, this is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. What is it called? Oh my god, it is called the Gloss Bomb. Love that for me. But this is in the shade Fenty Glow, shade 01. Tried and true, classic. The doe foot in this is so nice and like big, chunky, so it's just, it applies on your lips so perfectly. It's very pillowy, the doe foot applicator. The shade, you can't go wrong. Like seriously, this is such a nice like nude terracotta color. It's perfect for every day. I have a smaller size of this size, and I really want to try more of their shades. I feel like for lip gloss, I don't want to buy so much because I feel like any lip gloss, unless it's like a bright pink or like a red on your lips, it just all kind of looks the same. It just all kind of looks like a clearish gloss. So yeah, literally says me with like a million more, but this is really, really, really pretty. It's such a classic. All right guys, this is another lip gloss. This is the NARS lip gloss in the shade Unbroken. I remember this used to be so hard to buy because like it was very popular in Xiaohongshu. Got this a couple years ago at the Grove in LA actually because Canada was also out. The most beautiful pink shade, and there are just the most gorgeous gold specks. Like I love a bunch of lip glosses from this collection. I have Chelsea Girls, I have Aragon, and then obviously Unbroken, but this one is so unique and pretty because of the shimmer in there, like the gold flecks in it, guys. Gorgeous, like really, really pretty. And then last but not least, I have this Dior lipstick. It is just a tried and true red lipstick, especially as we're going into winter season. We're going into obviously the holidays, like heading into Christmas, New Year's, and whatever, and you're gonna be like doing a lot of parties and stuff like that, gatherings, and I feel like you just need like a really nice red lipstick. So this is what I recommend from Dior in the shade 999. This was such like a 回忆杀, like this is such a throwback on Xiaohongshu because it blew up like so many years ago, but it's still such a nice classic lip product and shade from Dior. It's a matte one. I'm pretty sure they have different textures and consistencies, but like a matte red lip is just so classic, you know? Last but not least, I have 4 skincare products to share. This I always repurchase. This is the Glossier Milky Oil Waterproof Makeup Remover. It's so good. Why? Because it's obviously from Glossier, so it's like on the lower price end, if you will, from Sephora. The cost savings, love it. Second of all, it's just so gentle. I love like a milky oil. I don't like balms, like cleansing balms. They just always somehow like get into my eyes and it stings. So I love one of these like on a cotton pad. It just removes everything. It's so gentle, it's moisturizing, it's oily, which is perfect for the wintertime and dry skin. So always repurchase this. This is what it looks like. Classic. It is the best. I love it. Always repurchase it. It's so good. As with this product, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. My favorite serum. This is actually a new one. I love it. I mean, this smells like watermelon. The consistency is amazing. It is like this thick serum, and so I remember in the beginning I was like, I don't get the hype, whatever. And then I remember one year they did like a birthday gift of this Watermelon Glow Dewdrops and their toner. I brought it on vacation with me when I went to Boston with my mom, and this was so good. It was so nourishing, it was so thick. Even in the summer, like your skin just looks so good with this like glowy serum on. Obviously in the winter, this is gonna save your skin because it's so freaking nourishing, and the bottle's just really cute. But yeah, nourishing. I love the watermelon scent. This I recently just got sent, these two actually from Dermalogica, so thank you so much. But already, like, I love it so much. This is the Dermalogica Neuro Touch Symmetry Serum. It is so good. The packaging is very cool too. It has like a fingerprint where you like press the dropper to get the product out, but it is so nourishing. I love Dermalogica. They are a classic, like they're just so classic. Like they've been out for forever. Their products are just, you can't go wrong, can't be beat. But I got sent this, which is one of their new products, and it was like probably not super cold yet, so I didn't want to like put an oil, like start you know, incorporating oils into my skincare routine just yet. But it's so cold now. I'm ready for it. It is so good. It's so nourishing, hydrating, keeps your skin nourished in the winter. I mean, oils, just think about it on like dry winter skin. It's just the perfect combination, right? It cancels it out. So love it. And the packaging is really gorgeous as well. Last but not least, I have the Dermalogica Magnetic Afterglow Cleanser. I mean, just Dermalogica cleansers. I have their like oily makeup removing cleanser, which is just perfect as well. So gentle. Dermalogica is very, very gentle. Like, I have sensitive skin, especially during like changing seasons, but Dermalogica products like never, you know, make my skin even more sensitive. It just kind of like calms it down and eases it even more, which is really amazing. So I love these so much. I love Dermalogica for working together, collabing, and like me being on their PR list. So really excited to continue using these two products. Their holiday sets came out, which I might just put that in my Sephora haul. I got sent that too, but everything in there I already really love. So all right, thank you guys so much for staying until the end if you guys did. It was so fun being able to film again. I miss filming and talking to my camera so much. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and follow me on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.